Díomh agus fáilte. So now I'm just going to give you an introduction to Padlet and how to use it. So from Google, we will Google Padlet. It'll be the first result, so you can click that. And now, so you just want to sign up. It's free. So I will just log in because I'm already signed up. Upgrade later, you don't want to pay. Go home. Now, so you'll see this here. Now you want to go up to make a Padlet. We'll be keeping a collection of words, as I've said already. We're keeping a collection of words after every class, so I think the best option there is a shelf. It keeps it very neat. But you can pick a different background if you like. Now, so then this will come up straight away. So you just want to retitle it over here. So you can call it something like maybe Gaeilge, describe, words, or focal from each class, or wrong. Okay, so keep working. Then you can go next. Privacy then, you want to make sure it's on public so we can all view each other's walls. Those with access can write. You can keep it at that if you'd like other people to write. Can read, up to you. I would keep it just can write. No one usually writes anyway. Then next, start posting. So this will be your first column. So I generally would do it like wrong ahain. Save. You can click enter or save. Then just double click and then you can insert all the words that you've learned from wrong ahain. For example, chalk. And then under it, just write its English definition. Then, for example, over here, double click, add column, that would be wrong ado. The verb. To eat. Then click outside just to save, and so on, and then add column for each class. And you can just keep clicking under, or click that plus sign to add another word and another word. So this is just a good way to document your words and keep track of them and look back after each class. So I hope that's clear for you all. And then once you're done, you can just click up here. You can say share. Again, make sure it's on public. Then go to share, exported, embed. Then copy link to this Padlet. Click that. And then you can share that in our chat room. Okay, and then close. So thanks very much. I hope that's clear.